using Seedance 2.0 completely for free. Not 5 seconds, not 8 seconds, the full 15 for free, unlimited. Today, that question gets answered. Let me show you exactly what the problem looks like right now. If you want to use the Seedance 2.0 model with zero restrictions and generate those full 15-second cinematic clips the way they're meant to be generated, the most prominent platform built around it is Higgsfield AI. And Higgsfield is genuinely powerful. The model quality is real, the cinematic output is stunning, and yes, Seedance 2.0 runs beautifully inside it. But here is the wall they put in front of you. To get enough credits to comfortably generate high-quality 15-second videos on a regular basis, you're looking at around $125 a month on their subscription, every single month. $125 just to use a model that I am about to give you access to for absolutely nothing. That is the trap most creators are sitting inside right now, and they don't even realize it. But I need you to hear this next part very carefully. If you are watching this video within the first day or two of it going live, you are in a seriously lucky position right now. The bypass method I am showing you today is live and working at this exact moment, but I have no way of knowing how long that window stays open. The developers watch these videos. They monitor usage patterns. This loophole could be patched by tomorrow morning. It could be gone in hours. So do not skip ahead, do not pause and come back later. Watch every single step right now, absorb it, and go execute it the moment this video ends. Your window is real, but it is not guaranteed to stay open. Now, I want to give you something valuable in the middle of this because it genuinely fits the workflow I am about to show you. And it has actually saved me a massive amount of time this year. I want to talk to you about Piclumen AI. And yes, this portion of the video is sponsored by them, but I am only talking about them because I was already using this before they ever reached out. Piclumen is a complete all-in-one AI studio. And once you see what it does, you will understand why I keep coming back to it. Think about how many tabs you have open right now just to manage different AI video tools. One tab for this model, another tab for that generator, another dashboard for something else entirely. Piclumen kills all of that. Inside one single dashboard, you get Seedance 2.0, OpenAI, Google, Halo AI, Wan AI, and Kling 3.0 with full motion control. Everything in one place. You paste your prompt, you select your model, you hit generate, and a flawless cinematic video comes back to you without ever switching tabs. They use a Lumen's credit system. Paid users get fast lane generation, but even on the free tier, you get a daily Lumen's allowance that keeps you creating every single day. For creators who are serious about building AI video content consistently, Piclumen is the most efficient setup I have personally used. The link is right down in the description. Go bookmark it after this video. All right, back to the main event. Here is the unlimited trick step by step. Open your browser and go to RoboNeo AI. This is the platform housing the Seedance 2.0 model we are unlocking today. Click Login in the top right corner. When the menu appears, do not touch the Google or Apple sign-in buttons. Click Continue with Email, then tap the small text at the bottom that says Register Now. Before you fill anything in, grab your phone. Open the Google Play Store, find the exact app you are seeing on your screen right now, download it, and open it. At the top, tap the plus icon with New underneath it. A default domain appears. Tap on it. A long list of email domains drops down. Scroll slowly until you find a cluster of domains ending in .pl. Find the one that starts with the letter A, has a few characters in the middle, and ends in .pl. Select that one. If that specific domain is not working today, just pick another from the same list. One of them will always work, but start with the a.pl option every time. Give it any random username, tap the check mark, and copy your new temporary email. Paste it into the RoboNeo registration form, create a strong password, and hit register. A sliding puzzle appears. Solve it. RoboNeo immediately fires a verification code to your inbox. Jump back to your phone app, hit refresh, open the email, grab the code, enter it in your browser, and hit Next. Your first account is live. The second your account activates, a pop-up shows your personal referral code. Copy it immediately. Check your profile. You have 70 carats, which is their credit currency. That is not enough for a full 15-second video. Here's how we fix it. Click the three dots at the top of your browser and open a brand new incognito window. Go to RoboNeo again. Run the exact same registration process. New temp email from your app, new password, new puzzle, new verification code. Second account is now live with 70 credits and its own unique referral code. Now execute the swap. Copy the referral code from your incognito account. Go to your main window, find Redeem Invitation Code on the left